Hey guys, how you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to trade the bullish order blocks to maximize your profits in forex trading and to up your win rate. So guys, this is like a really simple setup. Once you master it, you make money out of it. It will get you paid. So let's get in it. So as you can see on my screen, I have what I have written there. So the bullish order block, in order to use it, you're going to need an area of support. Then you're going to need a candle that is close, a bearish candle that is close to the support, that close is close to the support, and that candle should be of a big body or of a reasonable size. And that candle should also have little to no candlestick wicks. So those are the only requirements that you need for your for you to use your bullish order blocks. Many more things will come in the following video, so make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you get hooked up with how to maximize your win rate. So guys, I'm going to show you what you need. So as you can see, I had already had my area of support marked up here, that support area, like, yeah, with the black horizontal line there. And right here, what you see is that's my area of volatility, and that's the area that I will be expecting to exit my trade. That is where my take profit will be for this particular trade. That's where I'm targeting my price to reach after price gets out of the bullish order block. So that's where my that's where my safe take profit will be. So guys, let me show you how to do this. So as you can see right here, uh there's no need to zoom, right? So let's exactly so as you can see right now, uh we have our area right there. We have our bearish, we have our resistance broken there. So our structure has been broken, and after structure has been broken, we have our bearish candlestick that is close to the area that's close to our support. And also you can see that it has little weak candlestick wicks, and the candlestick body is big enough. So that's the average size body that we're talking of, and our structure has been broken right there. Okay, I indicated with that black horizontal line there. So next up, so you can see we're now looking for us to take the trade now. So the trade, we expect it to be within, let me show you here. We expect the trade to be, the trade will be taken from that area right there, from that area right there. That's where the buy stops will be, the buy limits will be set, and my target area will be, right, yeah. My target area will be to this part there. Then the stop loss will be right below my support area right here. Perfect. So that's our order block right there in the area of support. And you can see by that week, yeah, by the week that our trades will be have been executed, and that's the reaction that we're looking for, and price start to plump it up. Let me fix here so that the colors are as they are, and the price start plummeting upwards. As you can see, the take profit would have been it right there. So yeah, our take profit would have been it. So yes, so that's how you use the order blocks, the bullish order blocks. It's as simple as that, guys. This will maximize your returns and will maximize your win rate. Stay tuned for more videos. We have more to come, the bearish order blocks and the market structure breaking, everything everything to maximize your win rate in forex trading, indices trading, uh anything. So let me just show you the end of the story, where price ended. So as you can see how powerful they are, how powerful they are. Just want to show you so that you appreciate how powerful these things are. So as you can see, price is still plummeting upwards from our area of order block. So these things are really powerful, guys, and they can maximize your profits tremendously. Your win rate can be maximized tremendously. And guys, so stay tuned for more knowledge and more wisdom for free. So just simply click the like button and subscribe. So as you can see, price is reached price is easily reached the swing high here. So, and that's over 800 pips. That's over 800 pips, guys. 800 pips. So make sure you subscribe for more knowledge, and free how to more free profitable setups on this channel. 800 pips. So yeah, thank you for watching my video.